Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Guys, so today we are reviewing the Dose of Vanity Selfie Ring Light. So a Dose of Vanity sent me one of their selfie ring lights to review. Now again, I only do honest reviews, and I do ask that before they send their product, that they can't take an honest review, they might as well keep their product. And a lot of times, if the product don't work for me or if I don't like it, a lot of times I just won't do a video, and I might throw it in a worst videos or worst products video later on down the line. This one I absolutely love, so we are going to be testing it out, and I'm even going to wait until dark and see what kind of light she'll give in complete darkness.
Like in the yard, outside.
Hopefully the moon's not full.
It is an LED selfie ring light, and as you know, just about everybody's got one of these, but I think this one is really good. Now, not many of them has got a really good price tag on them, and I believe this one does. This was actually $29.99, and I believe there is a discount for, I think, $13.99. I think that is what it is on sale for now. We're just going to play with it, have fun, take some selfies, and see what she's got. Now, it does have 3 light settings. Well, I guess I could show you guys, really, right? So, this is what it looks like. It is very lightweight, and these things are easy to travel with, and is going to be my new lighting set. I have no lighting set. Oh my God, my lamp's not on. I'm not even lighting right now. So, guys, it just clips on your phone, if you could see that right there. It just clips on your phone, and I'm going to use this one for an example. It just fits perfectly, and you can use it for your front camera, your back camera, whatever. It does have these little spaces in it for your cameras, and it rests on the phone just perfectly. The power button is, of course, at the top with a charger button, so it does not take batteries. That is awesome. So it will be coming with one of these USB cords to charge it. I have had one with batteries before, and they're complete trash. Let's just say it. They're complete trash. It is very easy just to clip on your phone for the front. You can use it for the back. And also, I will show you the settings. This one is the lowest setting. Then you have a medium setting. And then, of course, is your high setting. That is the one I want to try out at night, outside.
Outside sometimes. Can't wait.
This does come in 3 different colors. There is white, black, and there is also pink. I don't know why they didn't send me pink. I would have loved that one, but I do. This is the white one. I think the only color difference is right here in the middle where it says Dose of Vanity. It's going to help brighten and soften up lights in the background. Instead of carrying and lugging around one of those big normal ring lights, it's very simple. You can use this anywhere, and like I said, it is rechargeable, so it don't take batteries. You just clip it on your phone. You can be anywhere in the world and just pull this out and use it. Very easy to use. It is so simple. There's only one button on it. That is the only button, is the power button, and you also hit that for the 3 different light settings. And of course, it's got a spot where you plug your charger in. I figured this out without reading instructions, and I'm one of those people, I read all the instructions on everything, don't matter. But this is just so simple, and I absolutely love this. This has really helped me out on some of my videos. Now, as you know, I don't have a lighting set or anything, so this is what I'm going to be using from now on. When the battery is full, you have 7 to 8 hours before you have to charge it again, which is super time-saving. Now, this also works on iPads also, but if you have one of those big, bulky phone pads like an OtterBox or something like that, it's not going to clip on, so you do need to remove your case before you clip that on. I will give you an example of how it works. So it is just simple as this. You take it out, you put it on the setting that you want, and you just clip it to your phone. Simple as that. You got a selfie. This has helped out so much, and you know what? For $13.99, I mean, you can't really beat it. But anyways, guys, I am going to link Dose of Vanity down below in my description box. There is also a code to give you free shipping. I will also put that on the screen, also down in the description box. If you want to go check it out, feel free to do so. So I'm going to slip in a couple of selfies right here where I have actually waited till nighttime to go and try this out just to see what it does. I think this thing is just super amazing. I love it. And as always, guys, make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every time I upload a video. Also, guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't like it. Hurtful, but understandable. And also, guys, one more tiny favor before you go. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free. It's 100% free, and it is very rude for you not to accept a free gift from me. So hit the subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Oh, shit. Wait a minute. And outside, hopefully the moon's not full. That's... Oh my God, my lamp's not on. I'm not even lighting right now. Oh my God. Yes. So, and oh, it's works. Logan, this is backwards. Put it on Instagram or whatever you want to do with it. This. Just what else can you? Yes, that works. Okay, so I already said that, Lincoln. Understandable. Button. Okay.